Beautiful. How long will you let yesterday decide who you are today? You've carried old mistakes, old names, old versions of you. But listen, you are not your past. You're the author now. Today, we start rewriting your story. Clearly, gently, powerfully. Stay with me to the end for affirmations and a 7-day plan to build the woman of your future. Why we get stuck? We replay old moments, like a movie we didn't like, hoping a different ending appears. Maybe a choice you regret, a relationship that broke you, words you can't unsay. We stay stuck because the brain loves what's familiar, even when it hurts. We also absorb labels, the quiet one, the difficult one, the girl who failed. And when people remind you of who you were, it's tempting to believe them. But here's the truth. A story is not a sentence. You can close that chapter. Right now, place your hand on your heart. Breathe in. Say softly, I am allowed to change. Reframe. Identity does not equal history. Your identity is not a museum of the past. It's a studio under construction. Every belief is a brick. Every habit is wet cement. If you keep repeating, I mess everything up, you'll build a home you don't want to live in. So we change the blueprint. Replace labels with choices. Replace labels with choices. I choose calm. I choose respect. I choose courage. Replace shame with data. That happened. Here's what it taught me. Replace perfection with progress. I show up imperfectly daily. People respect a woman who respects herself. Speak about yourself as the woman you're becoming, not the one you outgrew. Guided future self visualization. Slow the pace, gentle tone. Close your eyes, unless you're driving. Imagine waking up as her, the woman of your future. Notice the room. Is it tidy? Warm sunlight? Plants? What's in your morning? Water first? A stretch? A prayer? Open your wardrobe. What clothing makes you feel strong? You glance at your phone. No rush to prove anything. You're grounded. See how she handles a challenge today. Does she breathe before replying? Does she say, no, that doesn't work for me, without apology? Watch her in the mirror. Notice her posture, the softness, and the strength. Now step into her body. Breathe like her. Stand like her. Say, I honor my past and I choose my future. When you're ready, open your eyes. 7-day action plan. 1 week, small steps, big shift. Day 1, forgive and release. 15 minutes. Write 3 mistakes you're holding. Under each, finish, this taught me, so I release it. Rip or archive the page. Day 2, environment reset. 20 minutes. Clear 1 space, desk, bag, or wardrobe. Physical reset equals mental reset. Day 3, language audit. No more, I always mess up, or I'm just not that girl. Replace with, I'm learning. I'm building discipline. I keep promises to myself. Day 4, micro promise. Pick 1 5-minute habit your future self does. 10 squats, 1 page read, a 5-minute walk, or 2 glasses of water. Do it no matter what. Day 5, boundary practice. Say 1 clean no, or I can't today. No paragraph of excuses. Stay calm, kind, clear. Day 6, future self date. Dress as her. Go to a cafe or a park. Journal these prompts. What does the woman I'm becoming do daily? What does she refuse? What am I ready to start today? Day 7. Celebrate and lock in. List 7 tiny wins from the week. Then choose 2 habits to keep for next week. Boundaries. Protecting the new you. Reinvention dies without boundaries. Someone will try to drag you back into your old role. You've changed. Smile and say, "Thank you." Growth is a compliment. Your time, energy, and peace are premium. If a space requires you to betray yourself, it's not your space. Distance over disrespect. Always. Affirmations and close. Repeat after me, out loud if you can. I am not my past. I forgive myself and move forward. I keep promises to myself. I am building the woman of my future today. My worth is non-negotiable. If this spoke to your heart, subscribe for weekly mindset resets. Comment, "I choose my future," so I know you're with me. Share this with one friend who needs hope. I'm proud of you. The next chapter is yours.